excited, man. Go to the mailbox and get something for free. Love it. Got me a new hat. I got this email the other day from a lady at Superclean. Said she wanted us to do a video. Said that they had the best products on the market. Well, we're gonna see. They sent us a few things. Free hat, free t-shirt. Sure, I'll do a video. You wanna go see if it works? Let's see if they're telling the truth. Let's go outside and see what we can come up with. Okay, we're gonna try this regular Superclean on the jeans. Whoops. She's fast, y'all. I can't keep up with the camera. Alright. These are going in the laundry.
Okay, this one's got some just general
dirt.
They're kind of worn, so we'll see.
We're going to see this.
All over.
Make them look brand new, right? Huh? She says, I don't want to buy no new jeans. I like these. Ain't none of you lawnmower guys done clothes, have you? Yeah, I don't think so. Alrighty. I guess that's soaked through. Here they go.
And we're going to add some just regular laundry soap. Just here.
Okay, I guess the normal thing.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'll be back.
So these are the jeans after washing. These look a little cleaner. The other one, these were old stains on the old other ones. So they don't look as clean. But, you know, maybe we'll try some fresh stains next.
Superclean all-wheel cleaner foams away grime and dust. Super easy, super fast. Clean one wheel at a time, rinse with cold water, coat wheel with all-surface cleaner. You're supposed to wet it first. I don't care. I don't follow directions too good. So I'm just going to wet this thing down. We'll see what happens. It's foaming. I probably should have wet it first. The next one will wet like it says. It says wait 30 seconds, so let's wait 30 seconds. All right, let's give it a little scrub. All right, let's see if this is brand new tires now. I'm gonna rinse it off. Definitely made a difference on those white letter tires. All right, this time we're gonna do it like the directions said. One shot. We're gonna wet the tire. And let's squirt it down. My wife told me to take the tag off of this hat, but I left it on, and you know why? That way I could be like Minnie Pearl. Now y'all leave a comment down below if y'all know, or any of you is old enough to know who Minnie Pearl was. Some of you will know. Some of you used to watch that show. Well, our wheels squirted down. I ain't waiting 30 seconds. I got stuff to do, y'all. The scrubber. See my tag on my hat? I know all these young fellas gonna be out there looking going, who in the heck is Minnie Pearl? Wait till you look that one up. I ain't waited no 30 seconds. It looks pretty decent to me. Of course, this truck is about 22 years old. The dang tires, I don't know how old they are. That don't look too bad. All right, here's the first one we washed. Dried off now a little bit. Now we're back in the junkyard. Look at that old thing. Can you believe how old that thing is? I think I can fix that. Good Lord, that's a nasty tractor. Let's see if we can clean it up. Got an aerosol can. Let's try this out. Shake it, I guess. This better not mess up the paint on my tractor. I'm gonna restore this one. If it does, Superclean going to send me some paint. That's the foaming side. This is their regular stuff. Let's just squirt some of that on here too. It says test the inconspicuous area, but that's conspicuous, huh? All right, this is foaming. This is regular. Has it been 30 seconds, 5 minutes, or whatever they say? I don't know, hell. What? That's like no pressure, guys. Ooh, I got a new lawnmower. Look. Wiped it right off. Let's see if I can get a clean side. Let's try the other. Doggone, with this, you don't even need paint. I don't know what that is. Oh, good Lord. Excuse me. My goodness. Dang, now I want to do the rest of the tractor.
Okay.
I tell you what, this is the back corner of our shop, in a corner back here where we keep our scrap metal bins. Somebody needs to clean that vinyl. Let's see what happens. I bet you could rinse that off with a water hose and it looked like new. Now my wife's gonna make me do the rest of it. You ever go food? Dadgummit, stupid oil. I tell you what, let's just dump it all out. How about that? Now what am I gonna do? We're gonna get some Superclean 4 absorbent. And I'm gonna do it right there. We're gonna see what happens. Then I'm gonna get some cat litter. We buy cat litter because it's cheaper than oil dry. Yeah, I know, it's clay. I see that soaking through already. Let's put it to it. We're gonna see which one does better. All right. Y'all like that fancy broom? It's been about, I don't know, minute and a half, 2 minutes, I don't know. Looks to me about the same. They say swish it around and stuff, so let's put it back on there. Let's put a little extra on it. Well, I don't know about y'all, but I got other stuff to do. I'm gonna let this sit probably 20 minutes or so and go do something else. And then we'll come back to it. We'll see what it looks like. All right, folks, on our back porch here, we just pressure washed this a week ago, I guess. These stains were under our grill. and they didn't come up with the pressure washer. So we're going to try this middle board here, and then we're going to move over to the grill and try it. So my wife's going to spray this down, and we're going to see how this works. We're using Superclean foaming. This one we have not used yet. So here we go. She's going to spray these down. We're going to let them sit, or just this board. Let it sit, and we're going to see if it really makes a difference on deck boards. Now we're going to come over to the grill while that's sitting a minute. And this thing is nasty. It's almost embarrassing. I think the directions said wet at first, but oh well. We're going to scrub it in anyway. Our dang grill better look like new. All this work for a hat and a t-shirt. I'm going to tell you what, the things we do. My wife has a brace on because she sprained her wrist. And it's about healed, obviously, because she's using her left hand and she's right-handed, huh? Alright, she's going to scrub this stuff a little bit. You can see the orange in the bubbles, or grease, probably grease off the grill. This is real time, folks. We are not cutting this. All right. Same dirt going right on top of the grill. Who cares? Just a grill. Nothing but our food going on it, right? I ain't scared. Don't go to sleep, y'all. This is some riveting video, I tell you what. Alright. We ain't gonna let it sit long. Well, this has been a whopping 30 seconds while we got the hose, so she's going to rinse the stuff off. We'll see. Does it make a difference? I don't know about y'all, I can't tell a whole lot of difference, but it's hard to tell with the wood wet. We'll find out. Let's see what this grill does. Now that looks better. Honey, you missed a spot. That's what she tells me anytime I clean something. She says, you didn't do it right. Huh?
Nuh-uh.
Come on. You do. My wife does it like a professional, you know. Alright. We'll let this stuff dry out a little bit. We may give another shot of this. Anyway, so y'all see the difference. It all looks wet. Made a difference on the grill. You can tell the spot she didn't scrub and the one she did. So this grill was dirty. I can't believe people eat off this thing. Old redneck country folks. I tell you what. Look at there. Can't see nothing but chicken butt. What? What them crazy birds eating? Alright, it's been about 30 minutes. We went up and filmed the deck and did the grill. We come back. There's what you're dealing with there. I tell you what, kind of looks like to me this Superclean did a little better. Well, we're going to let that deck dry out and film the rest tomorrow. It's getting kind of late in the evening. And we're going to just let this stuff sit. We're going to put some more on the rest of the spills and get this soaked up. And we'll be back with you tomorrow. Well, folks, it's the next morning. Beautiful day out. Let's check out what happened down here. See if I can get a good shot of it. Looks to me it made a heck of an improvement on those stains. I can't believe it got that up. I'm impressed. You couldn't tell yesterday with it wet. Sorry about the shadows in the sun. The grill dried off. We're still gonna put the grill back over there where it was, but it surely did clean it up. There's a couple little places, but you saw we weren't very picky on cleaning it, so we'll finish it up though, make it look really nice. All right, moving on back to the shop. Well, my wife just walked out before we got to go down to the shop to look at the oil dry.
I would say that's amazing. So we're gonna do the rest of the boards and see how it comes out.
Thanks, Superclean. Now I got more work to do. All right, folks, this is sat overnight. Had things to do. Common for the oil dry to stay overnight. Let's sweep it back and see what's going on here. Still wet there, but not bad. Completely dry there. So, I guess with a little more, it would have been fine. Here's another spot. Still wet there. I'm gonna cover it back up. You see what I did there, huh? That's still soaked. This is almost all dry. All right, there you have it on the oil dry, folks. Thanks. Be right back. Well, folks, we tried these products out. I think they did a great job. We were especially pleased with what they did on our deck up there from those old stains. That board the next morning after that water dried, boy, it made a huge difference. I'm gonna have to go clean the rest. The grill, who knows the last time it was cleaned. Shame on me, but it wiped that stuff right off. So we were pleased with all the cleaning products. The oil dry, however, it does okay. But I like my oil dry better. But it does do it. It does work. So we will continue using these products, and we appreciate them sending them to us. And they say, spend more time doing the things you love, less time cleaning. Super easy, super fast, super clean. We are Rayleigh's Small Engines. Click that subscribe button. You'll be glad you did. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think of these products. Let you know what you think of this video. We'll do our best. Have a great day, folks.